Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We're going to check out some Valentine's Day stamping plates and kit from Maniology. This comes together. So there's this plate, a stamper and scraper, and this polish. And it says it is Galintine. On the website I thought it was pink, and it seemed like the pictures it looks pink, but this really looks more red than pink. Anyway, so here's the stamper and the scraper, and I have already gone ahead and put gel top coat on the scraper and the stamper so that I don't have to worry about that rubbing off, because it will. This one is a limited edition for Valentine's Day. It is pretty soft, so that's nice. So they're already making me happy. I really wasn't wanting to get this too bad, because when I saw it was pink, it's like, do I want to do it? Yeah, kind of, because I wanted the plate and I wanted the stamper. And you can buy the stamper separately, the plate separately, and I'm not sure about the polish. This came in a kit. And then here's the plate. And it is M117. And on my nails, I just used Braves Diva nail polish Shutout and Game Over, which is actually in the black now. And a sponge, and just kind of blended them a little bit on the sponge, and then sponged it on. A gradient. Do have one to give away. But the real question is, does it stamp? And that's part of the reason I did a gradient with black and white. That way we can just see in one swoop if this is gonna stamp. This is their Valentine's Day plate, and there's also another one that I purchased that I might give away too, because I really don't like it, and I don't know why I ordered it. I was thinking there was another one, a different one. I'm not going to take the blue film off of it because I really don't think I'll ever use it. Sausage Party. Okay, maybe I will use that. Fresh Squeezed. It's got some pretty suggestive stuff on it. Meat Lover. Don't make me laugh. I've had the flu all week. I'm sick. My chest is killing me. What is that? Huge milk jugs. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Is dirty. You scream. Nice buns. Yeah, huge milk jugs. It says milk. What the heck does that say? Send nudes. Okay, this one, I know exactly who's getting this one. It actually has one, Happy Valentine's Day with bananas. Super suggestive. Eat me. Lick it. This is dirty, you guys. I'm shocked. Yeah. I'm definitely giving that to somebody. Okay. Now let's do a mani. Let's see how this stuff stamps and just what it looks like. I love this. Oh my gosh. Look at it. I'm gonna have to do it again because I kind of got some scraping on there, but that looks pretty awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick that on my pinky here and avoid that. Yeah, they got that right. That is gorgeous. Yeah, Guyline approved. Okay, I love the squishy stamper because I don't feel like I'm gonna break my nail when I push down. Alright, so I really like the stamper. It is soft and it's sticky. The polish is amazing. It worked fantastic over black and white. The plate is adorable. And I just noticed, I wish I would have done that. Nail sisters. Soul sisters. Two friends together forever. BFF. Double trouble. So this is like a really cute friends plate. So for one of my friends down below, just make a comment and tell me if you're US or international. I don't think it'll be very expensive at all to ship just one plate international. So please continue to use my code Guyline325 so I can continue to buy things to give away to you guys. So now I'm just going to put some of the no smudge top coat on it, but it's metallic. I don't really think it would smear very bad anyway, just using a regular quick dry thick top coat. Anyway, so go ahead and comment down below if you're US or international, and I'm going to say within a couple days, so please check the dates. Please check and see. I will put closed at the top of my comment section, and the winner, I'll pin the comment to the top of the comment section. So if it says it's closed and a winner's been picked, don't keep entering. It doesn't do you any good. And I'll just use a random comment picker and choose a winner in a couple days. Anyway, you want to be watching for February's Man and Me box. I will be getting that in just a couple days, and I'll post that video as fast as I can, because let me tell you, I got some feels and some things to say about this coming box, so be ready. It's going to be a snarky one. Alright, you guys, thanks for joining me, and yeah, video's not over till the baby ghost giggles. Bye! Hello? What you got there? Have you got a big old bed full of toys? He's going to chase Penny around it. I need to tie her tail to her leg. Careful. Jeez. Ooh. Excuse us. Yeah, it's like a it's, I don't know what the little box is actually called. Why do boys have to be so weird? squirting his Go-Gurt onto the table and licking it off in a public restaurant. It's freaking embarrassing. He's so cute though.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.